Hey guys, Dan the Man here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. Here I have the Anker Soundcore Q30. That's a pretty long name for a headphone anyways, but at least it's easy. So, this headphone comes for around $70 or $80 or so. It's pretty good. It's got a lot of basically stuff in here. You can see high-res audio, high-resolution audio, built-in mics for calls. You can make calls with it, up to 40 hours of playtime, and 5 minutes of charge. You get 4 hours of playtime, which is fantastic. I mean, that's really cool. You got NFC fast pairing. You can just use your phone to do that, and then you got touch transparency mode, which I assume refers to that if you hold one side of the headphone, it's got this sensor that basically you know, what it does is that you can hear what the other person's saying without taking your headphones off. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I would say it's worth the money, but let's open, see what's inside there. I got this from Amazon, and I have a pretty dirty knife. Let's get the plastics off. I mean, you can't ask for more things. There's some paper there, that's it. For the price you're paying. I mean, you're already getting a very good and decent package. So there was no seal, it was just that plastic sealing it. And it's more like a price performance kind of a product, you know, it's like nothing else inside the box actually. That's it. You got your quick start guide. Yeah, you don't really need that, do you? No, let's put it aside. It comes with a nice hard shell case, which is not the hardest thing in the world, but it's quite tough. I mean, I'm putting a lot of pressure on it. I mean, you get this thing for free. You don't even have to pay for it. Let's open this thing up. It's got this thing. You can attach it to your bag or something if you're traveling or going around. Wow, that looks really nice actually once you look at it from this angle. So it folds in like that, and the pads are actually, the memory pads are really nice actually, really soft and cushiony, I would have to say. It's got left and right, so you wouldn't mix that. Definitely, it's really big written there, left and right. Brushed plastic up there. I would have preferred it to be actually matte plastic like this one. It says active noise canceling on that side, and you got your NFC there, which you can connect it just like that, and touch transparency, you hold it there. It's got that sensor there. It's got basically a jack which you can connect it to your phone in case if it runs out of battery. You can use it as cable. Play, pause, volume down, volume up, switch on and off, and noise cancellation button, and LED light there. Nothing else on this side. Not sure if you could see all of it. Just let's go through it one more time. The jack connector, you can use it without battery. If it runs out of battery, you can connect the cable if that's what you prefer. Play, pause button, volume down, volume up. USB Type-C for charging, which is great. And you got the power on and off, and you got the LED light, which I assume is for noise cancelling or power on and off. Overall, this package looks really good. It's got some cushion up there. The cushion feels good. I mean, it's not the most amazing build quality in the world, but it's got this unique mechanism, you know. And it has active noise cancelling on both sides written, actually. I mean, my opinion, it's a good looking. This thing's just a sticker. It can come off. Let me take it off. Ouch. Not a very successful attempt. I got long nails, so I can just scratch it off. Okay, it came off. Not that bad, at least. Okay, it came off. It's almost gone. Yeah, it's gone. It's not there anymore. I don't see it. So, yeah, that looks pretty decent. It folds like that. And if you want to put it back inside the box, I assume it goes in like that again, you know, like facing like that. Yeah, you could do that DJing thing if you wanted to, you know, with one ear. That's pretty cool. Anyways, it's got 40mm drivers there, and let's look at this little pouch. It's really cute. I like this little pouch. Yeah, the cable, which you can connect if you wanted to do that. And a Type-C cable, which you can use it for charging, or you can use any other Type-C that you have, since it's a Type-C, you know. This case is nice. I mean, you get a free case, you get a free cable, and a free other cable for listening to audio in case if you ran out of battery or if you wanted just to do that. But anyways, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, these are pretty good headphones, I mean, in terms of build quality for the price you're paying. And you get 2 years of warranty with these, so... I mean, what else can you ask for more, right? Anyway, so that's pretty much it. I'll be listening to them and let you know if they're actually worth the money, but they are actually worth the money according to many other reviewers online. So we'll look at it later. And Anker is a pretty good brand. I also have a speaker made by Anker. They make really good stuff, but yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. You guys have a wonderful day or weekend or day or whatever the time is. Anyways.